napapansin ko rin po kasi sa ibang mga kabataan na we are somehow losing touch with the values na ininstill ng simbahan. I'd like to ask, does the church still have the credibility to speak on the value of EDSA? And if yes, how would this credibility be proved to the Filipino youth today? Given the fact na, sabi niyo po kanina ay hindi na po gaanong aware ang ibang mga estudyante patungkol sa EDSA, sa values ng EDSA. Yun lang, salamat po.
Who would you like to answer, Father Robert or?
Either one of you.
Okay. You're talking about credibility. Naku, medyo mahirap na usapin yan. But I'd like to believe na the church still has credibility. Especially when talking about unity, when talking about peace, when talking about, going against evils like corruption or injustices, oppression. Palagay ko may credibility pa rin ang simbahan. Kaya nga ginagawa namin ganitong mga activities para kami na mismo mag-reach out sa mga kabataan. We cannot just sit idly without doing anything. So activities such as this are geared towards reaching out to the young people. Ngayon kung makikinig sila, that's another thing. Pero palagay ko naman, meron mga kabataan na interested pa rin at ando doon pa rin yung pagmamahal nila sa bayan. Kaya yung ganitong mga pagkilos at gawain, mukhang tinatangkilik pa rin naman nila. In fact, when I coordinated with the Catholic Educational Association of the Philippines, readily they accepted it. At meron silang mga contest na ginawa nationwide. Essay making contest, writing contest, kung ano-ano pa. Dito nila gagawin yung kanilang culminating activity which is the awarding. Anong ibig sabihin yan? So maaring hindi naman ganun lahat ay walang alam, pero meron pa rin naman mga kabataan na may pakialam. At yung mga may pakialam na yun ang tinatarget natin para i-enhance, strengthen natin yung kanilang participation in nation building. And at the same time, kapag nakita na yung mga kabataan na to ay tumutulong sa paglinang ng ating lipunan, baka naman yung iba na mga medyo lukewarm, mapukaw din natin ang kanilang mga damdamin. So, going back to that first question, does the church have credibility? I do believe that the church has that credibility. And we're doing it right now, especially since this is a very important part of our nation's history, the 40th anniversary celebration of People Power Revolution.